Okay, so most of this project is pretty easy to manage or to do, and it's mostly cutting beams into length, and they not even have to be so exact in the measurements, but we have one task that could go a bit wrong. So we have this moment where the wood have slightly high angles, and if you want to drill straight down 90 degrees to the ground, to the surface, you would slide away because the center guide hasn't enough grip. So you go like 90 degrees to the wood surface, drill a bit into the surface, and then you can go up 90 degrees to the ground, and now you don't, and now you won't slip away and can go straight down into the wood. Okay guys, here we have a 2-ton hand crank pulley with a I replaced the steel wire with a nylon rope that can hold up to 80 kilograms. I guess that's 55 pounds. And here we have a carbine. It's maybe 200 or 400 kilogram carbine, and some M10 bolts and nuts to fix the pulley. So I always use a very secure knot. So I take the end of the rope and I take it like this, and then I take the loop and pull it through the hole. So you have a very tight and secure knot, and you should do that with every rope, because that is a very secure knot to lift weights. Now you can put in the carbine.
Bye.